is not your normal mamalona. This is a working mamalona. This is a Ford F550. You know, we don't normally do these type of vehicles. Ford, that's saying for Ford. But I feel like in our new location, we're gonna be doing a lot of these mamalonas. So, what do we got going on? Let me tell you. We're gonna be doing a sound system upgrade with the factory radio, okay? So, we all know what we gotta use for these factory radios. It's a module, and I'll show you that module in a bit. But let me discuss what's gonna happen. Subwoofers, door speakers, tweeters, rear door speakers, and a 5-channel amp to tie this bad boy in, okay? And also he has this strobe kit. It's really nice. I actually saw it yesterday on the website. It's called the Atomic Custom LED Lighting Kit, truck kit. So it's pretty cool. All you do is plug this into the BCM right on the side, and then activates all the factory lighting to have it strobe. Pretty dope. But anyways, Junior's gonna help him get started. Say hi, Junior. And you didn't get me. You didn't get me, bro. And we should see who they got over here. You got Martin. So anyways, that's what we're gonna do today. Stick with me. We'll show you some of the product. Actually, you know what? Let's get on the product.
Do better for yourself. 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 Do better for yourself.
Oh, okay, we're in the build. I want to show you guys again. This is cool. These are all the color codes. Helps us find out, you know, the speaker wire, what color they are, where the location is. That's the beauty about having good stuff and good tools, you know? Okay, we found out the front 6x9. I believe the rears are 6.5. We looked already. We're gonna check it out. So we'll continue right now. Alright, so after taking out the door, yes, it is a 6.5. So we'll be putting a 6.5. Okay, dokie, as you can see, he got the cable right here running down. He is gonna be swapping out the module now. Right there is where the factory amp is. We're gonna take out the module, plug it in there, get the RCA output to the amp, and butt out. Put the subwoofers in, we should be good. Okay, Cocho. You made a bracket. You made a bracket.
Oh shit!
Dang, Cocho made a bracket. Look at that. Costo. I get to charge $500 for that now. Dang, look at the woofers going in. Woo! All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of this. We're done with this mamalona, work mamalona. So, pretty happy with the results. I heard it in the beginning. It was full blast. It wasn't loud. Now at least it's full blast. It's loud. It sounds a little brighter to me. More bass for sure. You feel it in your chest now. So I like it. I'm happy with it, people. All right, the Ford is done. We're in here. I'm gonna let you hear it now. So let's hear a little bit of the regular music. All right, now we're gonna be playing some music that you guys can listen to it better with a copyright, free copyright. Hey guys, I'm here at the house. We just finished editing the video. It's 12 o'clock midnight. I wanted to get it out for you guys today, so I stayed late working on it. And I think it's cool. It's a Ford F550. It's a work truck, okay? Let me tell you about this work truck. It's an Alpine speakers, Type S all around. It is a DS18 5-channel amplifier. You gotta understand that the module that I used to get the sound was more expensive than the actual amplifier or the speakers. Like the module by itself was crazy expensive, you know. I think it's $5.99 retail, you know, and everything else in that thing was not that expensive. But we needed to do that to get the best sound out of the factory radio. It did have the B&O system, so you know we needed that module, which was the Zen module from Nav TV. But at the end, it sounded so good. Did you hear that rock and roll song? Man, I was jamming out. I never even heard music that clear. Just kidding, I have. But I'm saying, like, for what it was, for what we spent. But comment, like, and subscribe. I got more videos for you guys coming soon. For all your haters out there, keep hating. For all the cool, for all of you who are down with me, I appreciate that. I want to give a shout out to you customers who've been to the shop, which I say thank you. Some of you guys have been telling me you watch my videos. I appreciate that, man. I love it. I'm ecstatic. So thanks guys for stopping by the shop. And for the future of you, stop by and say hello, alright? Cool, man. See you guys later.